We programmers can write something to files using some Java classes. In Java, there's some classes to write text and binary data. I'm going to explain how to write to files. FileWriter class can be used to write text data to a file. We must import the file FileWriter and the IO exception firstly. In the main method, the file object is created and the FileWriter class is only declared. When we instantiate the FileWriter class, we must surround it with the try-get statement. After instantiating, the class writes the text. It is written in the sample text file. If there is no actual file, the file is created automatically and then the FileWriter class writes the text. The class method is to flash and close the stream. We don't need to write the class method necessarily. We can compile the class file even if the method is not written. However, we might want to use the method to reduce the system resource. To append text using FileWriter class, we add the two arguments in between the round brackets of FileWriter. The first argument is a file name or a file path. The second one is a boolean type of the data, whether we append text or not. If the boolean data is true, we append text data, but if the boolean data is false, we override the text newly. In this program, the second argument of the FileWriter is true, so we can append text in the sample text file. After running, we can get the sample text file. The text inside the file is on the left side. You can see that the texts are added in the sample text file. I recommend that you write the FileWriter program. The program is the example that we use the BufferedWriter class in the Java IO package. If you feel hard to see the program, please enlarge the video. In this case, we use the BufferedWriter class. Java provides a write method of the BufferedWriter class. We utilize the method to write text. In the try-get statement, we check if the file exists or not. If the file is not found, the file is created newly, and then the process moves to the write method. The getName method of the file class means to get the file name, so the name is written in the text file here. After writing, we close the BufferedWriter object. It is also better to close the FileWriter object. In like manner, we can also write the file using the printWriter class. I omitted the explanation of the class. You might want to search for it if you want to know in detail. Let's write a program to write text to a file. The detailed specification is in the description below. Read the sentences and write the program. Have fun. Bye for now.